Well, you're in for a treat.
Oh, boy.
Because we have the 21st Century 2015 Sweat to the Oldies Richard Simmons workout.
Oh, God. But no. Where are they coming from?
The latest DVD is called Sweating to the Oldies 5. Please welcome Richard Simmons!
Y'all, I am so excited about our new exercise instructor. Me too. Oh, me too. He's gonna work these buns.
Donuts and that brisket of Mr. Bray's done to me.
Yeah, well, I'm still going to eat pancakes tonight. We'll just work extra hard so we can get up all those pancakes to help all those
And that's
cute
at
firemen.
Yes, tonight. Oh,
And
what
don't forget the
time?
dance. What time?
I don't know, 5 o'clock? Yeah, I think the dance is at 7. So we
Where?
got time to get in shape.
Where is he anyway?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Look! I think I see him! Number 3, love yourself, your whole self, lady. Every bit of this, love it, okay? All of it, love yourself. Number 2, count those calories. Everything that goes in and down to that tummy, you gotta count it. Sweetheart, them little pancakes in box, you gotta count those. I'm sure they're fat-free though. KBO or something, woo! And number 1, ladies, my favorite, move those buns! Okay, ladies, let's get down to business. This is off my new DVD. And anyone out here that would like one of these new DVDs, you can purchase them right back there in the back when the show's over. You can get you a body like these fine ladies. Ready for the homecoming. All right, here we go, ladies.